going to walk outside with Tatay. I normally walk on the treadmill. Today I'm walking with Tatay. It's still a little breezy, a little chilly. Look at the trees. Has some leaves now. Actually, a lot of leaves na. I'll show you later the colorful trees if we see some. Let's walk. It's trash day. Trash day in our neighborhood is every Tuesday and Friday. So look, what the heck is this? There's so many stuff. I don't think they will get that. Somebody has to pick that up. Not the regular. Oops, look at what they're doing. Milling and paving. They're fixing our road. So there's a lot of trucks here. The smell is really strong from the road stuff. It's a lot of workers. Look. Thank you. Like, look. This is not finished yet. They just paved it. See, they took out like maybe an inch or two from the original road. Just buds on this tree, on this bush. Not really a tree. It's like a big bush. This one has more bigger buds. Here, look at the trees. Almost like fully, full leaves na. Still not super green, but almost all of them. This is our neighborhood. Nice look. Beautiful. So it's purple, then it turns green. There was a bird a while ago in front of the birdhouse. Where is it now? See? The new leaves are sprouting. Where's the birds? Got scared of us. Oh, there's some more. It's real plants. I thought it's fake. It's beautiful. Beautiful. It's pink. Oh, that's gorgeous. Nice look. Wildflowers. It's purple and white. I'll show you. So pretty. Look. It's so pretty. Of course, it ruins the all green lawn, but it's still so pretty though. Look, I found dandelions. Beautiful. I think this is kind of new. This is just budding. The workers are busy. It smells really bad. Very, very strong smell. See, look. Wow. A lot of signs like this. See, no parking, road work, stuff like that. All around the neighborhood. There's beautiful tulips